In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Klarna account, a step-by-step guide to help you get started with one of the most popular platforms for easy online shopping. Klarna offers shoppers an innovative way to pay for what they love, splitting purchases into manageable payments, and provides a smooth shopping experience. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Klarna website. You can do this by simply typing in the URL klarna.com, which will bring you to their main site. Here, you'll notice an intuitive and user-friendly interface designed to guide you effortlessly through the process. Once you're on Klarna's homepage, the next thing you'll need to do is choose your country. There's a drop-down menu, usually found at the top right or somewhere on the main page. This is important because the options and services Klarna offers can vary depending on your location. For today's tutorial, we're using the United States as our example, so go ahead and select that from the list. With your country set, it's time to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, which should be easy to spot on the page. Clicking this will direct you to a login screen. To establish a new account, you need to find and click the option that says Create Account. This will be your starting point for becoming part of the Klarna community. When prompted, you'll need to enter your phone number. Klarna uses this step as an essential part of its identity verification process. Make sure you use a number that's valid and currently accessible, as they'll send you a unique verification code. This text message is a crucial step in ensuring that your account security is maintained. Once you've entered your phone number, wait for the 6-digit verification code to arrive. This usually happens within moments. Enter the code carefully into the designated field. If for some reason you don't receive your code or there's an issue, you're typically given the option to resend it and try again. Double check the number you entered too, as that can help solve most issues quickly. And there you have it. You've created your account. By following these steps, you're now ready to explore all that Klarna has to offer. With your new account, you can shop at your favorite retailers, split your payments, and manage your purchases with ease. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to enjoy your new Klarna account and all the benefits that come with it. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy shopping!